Hi guys, today we are introduce Samsung Galaxy M52 and Galaxy M72 5G. Samsung is working on a sequel to the Galaxy M51, the Galaxy M52 and Galaxy M72 5G. No official announcements have been made yet, but the Samsung Galaxy F52 cousin is securing back-to-back product certifications. Samsung is working on its Galaxy M52 and M72 smartphones. Samsung is unveiling its new handset from its M series pipeline. The smartphone is a low-end and mid-range phone. According to leaks, it has the same design and specs recently launched Galaxy F52 5G. We are talking about the Samsung Galaxy M52 and M72. The smartphones got a chipset of Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 5G, which is the most powerful chipset. And to give more power to this device, it has a 2.2 GHz quad-core processor inside the Samsung Galaxy M72 to make the device ultra-fast. And also there is a GPU of Adreno 620 under the hood of this smartphone. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.5 inches Galaxy M52 and Galaxy M72 6.9 inches, and it will provide the user with Full HD plus the resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The new Samsung Galaxy M52 and M72 having a Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display. That is the latest one and well known for its outstanding results. The smartphone has got a 8GB of RAM capacity in Galaxy M52 by Samsung that is usually used in the high-end performance of most companies. But the manufacturer of the company introduces it in the handset to capture the attention of the user. The internal storage capacity of the Samsung will be 128GB. This is a huge amount of storage capacity that will provide the user of this device to store a huge amount of data for future use. And also you can extend your internal storage using by micro SD card. The Samsung Galaxy M52 has got a quad camera setup. The main sensor of the phone will be 64 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and 5 megapixel depth. There is a 32 megapixel selfie camera for capturing photos and movies for the loving ones. There is an under-display optical fingerprint reader in the Samsung Galaxy M72 to protect it from any authorized person. The mobile platform is paired with 8 GB of memory and 128 GB of internal storage. Last year, Galaxy M51 was the first on the Samsung price list with an oversized 7000 mAh battery, but the M52 trims it down to a standard 5000 mAh instead of the previous generation 25-watt charging speed. This upcoming Galaxy comes with a 15-watt power brick. So this is information Samsung Galaxy M52 and Galaxy M72. Connected for more updates, and please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon button. You will take care of yourself. Bye bye.